How to use filters during Facebook Live. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can use filters during your Facebook Live. So the very first thing you should want to do before doing this is make sure that your Facebook application is up to date so that you have this kind of feature. But unfortunately, if you go ahead and choose this live option in your profile, these are only the options available on your right side, like the flush, the mute, rotation, stickers, and enhances your voice as well. Facebook does not have a built-in filters for you to be able to use them while you're currently on a live session. What you can do is to use maybe TikTok or different platform that you can apply filters into your camera while on a live session. And then for you to be able to stream it via Facebook, then all you have to do is to share that specific link, share it into your Facebook account. And that's pretty much it. That's how you use filters on Facebook Live.